Welcome to e-Chem Open. Today, we will be discussing the characteristics of water. The topics being covered today are the properties of water, water pollutants, hard water, soft water, and the treatment of water. Water has many unique properties. Some of these include a relatively high boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius. This makes the existence of ponds, lakes, rivers, and seas possible. Hence, aquatic organisms can exist. High heat of vaporization. A lot of heat is required to change liquid water to water vapor. In humans and other organisms, the evaporation of sweat, which is about 99% water, cools the body to maintain a steady temperature. High heat capacity. Water can absorb a lot of heat with little change in temperature. Since living organisms are about 65% water, they can tolerate a wide range of environmental temperatures without adverse effects. Water dissolves a large number of substances. Since water is polar, it can dissolve both ionic and polar covalent substances. This is essential for living organisms since water dissolves waste and harmful substances so that they can be excreted from living organisms, for example, urine and sweat. Water dissolves useful substances such as food and mineral salts in order to be absorbed into the bodies of organisms and transported around. Water dissolves chemicals in the cells of organisms so that chemical reactions can occur. For example, during respiration. Pollutants of water. These include organic compounds from farmyard waste and untreated sewage, nitrate and phosphate ions from fertilizers and detergents, pesticides used in agriculture and to control vectors of diseases, sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen produced during combustion. These dissolve in rainwater to form acid rain, which can be harmful to fish and other wildlife in aquatic environments. Heavy metal ions, produced especially from industries. Hard water. Water with dissolved calcium and magnesium salts are called hard water. There are two types of water hardness. These include temporary hardness, dissolved calcium hydrogen carbonate and magnesium hydrogen carbonate cause temporary hardness and is found in limestone-rich areas. Permanent hardness. Dissolved calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate cause permanent hardness. Signs of hard water. Feeling a film on your hand after washing them. This is caused by soap reacting with calcium to form soap scum. Spots. These are usually deposits of calcium carbonate and appears on glasses and silverware coming out of the dishwasher. Mineral stains. These show up on clothes when they come out of the washing machine. This causes the clothes to wear out faster because of the harshness of the water. Less water pressure in your home. Mineral deposits can form in the pipes, shrinking the interior diameter of the pipes, thus reducing water flow. Soft water. Soft water is water that contains low concentrations of ions and in particular is low in ions of calcium and magnesium. Soft water tends to have higher concentrations of sodium or salt and naturally occurs where rainfall and the drainage basins of rivers are formed of calcium-poor rocks. Signs of soft water. A healthy lather when washing clothes, dishes, and hands. A slight sodium taste in drinking water. Healthy water pressure in your home. Clothes that are cleaner with no mineral stains and less wear and tear damage. How to soften hard water. Boiling. Boiling removes temporary hardness by causing dissolved calcium hydrogen carbonate and magnesium hydrogen carbonate to decompose. These insoluble carbonates precipitate out, thereby removing the calcium and magnesium ions. Addition of sodium carbonate. When sodium carbonate is added to water, it causes dissolved calcium ions and magnesium ions to precipitate out of the solution as calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Treatment of water for domestic use. The following conventional processes can be used to treat water before it is piped to homes. Chemical coagulation. Coagulation is a process of adding a chemical coagulant to water to destabilize colloidal particles. The most popular coagulant is aluminum sulfate. Flocculation. Flocculation is the process by which gentle agitation is added to water to enable the destabilized colloidal particles to agglomerate, creating larger aggregates which are easier to separate. Sedimentation. Sedimentation is a physical water treatment process using gravity to allow the flocculant particles to settle. Filtration. Water is passed through a granular bed of varying pore sizes to remove any dust, parasites, bacteria, viruses, and chemicals. Disinfection. Chlorine is one of the most popular methods of disinfection. The major forms of chlorine are chlorine gas or monochloramine, which are added to kill any remaining bacteria and viruses. The following diagram demonstrates the large-scale treatment of water. Here are some typical questions related to this topic. Number 1. State 4 properties of water and explain how each property assists in sustaining life on Earth. Number 2. Explain what is meant by soft water. Number 3. How is temporarily hard water different from permanently hard water? Number 4. State the meaning of hard water and one way in which water can be softened. I hope you found this video very helpful. Thanks for watching.